Welcome, guys. Rian is here from the South African Sons of Fire chapter. I'm the Herald, and I'm from the Capsicum Show. I'm going to bring in our president, Mr. John Exberg, aka Derek, and then Mr. Gman, our VP. Hey, Derek.
How's it, Rena? How are you, my man?
How's it, Gary? G-Man.
Hi, guys. How we all doing?
No,
Oh, well, boy.
lovely.
Glad to hear that. It's hot in Cape Town with these jackets on, but
Nice shirt.
awesome to have it.
All right,
Well,
man.
guys, let's get it going.
Where we're going with this? This is the first time the South African chapter is online, and we've got our president and our VP here. So, what's our mission, our vision, guys? Quickly before we go ahead with this challenge, and Mr. G-Man's stomach's already crying.
Well, our mission and our vision this year is to do things completely different. Obviously, we have for the community and the Chile community, as well as our own family, which is the Sons of Fire chapter in South Africa. I do think we actually have laid a better foundation this year going forward of how to do our StreamYard correctly, to be patched up correctly, and to rock forward with all the challenges so we can actually meet demand on League of Fire as well.
Yeah, let's put ourselves up to the top shelf, guys, overseas. It's been doing it for a while. I mean, we just started, so let's climb the ladder quick.
Exactly.
Sounds good.
Oh.
Yeah.
And Mr. G-Man is going to kick it off for us.
That's what I'm going to do. This was obviously sent over one of the patches from our El Presidente, Mr. Dave Duran. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, our other brother who isn't here, Mr. AJ Nell, didn't pitch up. He'll have to do his on another time. But his time will come. And there's lots more to come, I can assure you. I've got a few challenges sitting there. So, I think we should just get this thing done.
Okay, so what's read out your disclaimer?
Disclaimer.
The whole thing?
Right. So I have done a couple of League of Fire challenges before. So I've got this sitting in my cupboard with the rest of my chili sauces and things. League of Fire disclaimer. I, Gary Conker, am over 18 years of age, of sound mind, and have read and understood the hot sauce product disclaimer on the League of Fire website. So in the summary, I accept that the League of Fire, their suppliers and manufacturers will, under no circumstances, be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arising from me consuming this product or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question. All my own doing. Right.
Nicely done.
Okay.
What's the timer?
Chug challenge. I'm going to do the double shot one. You can either do the turbo shoot, which you shoot down once and then I think you have a 4-minute afterburn, or you do half of it, 3 minutes, half of it, 3 minutes, and that will be the challenge done. Yeah?
Yeah.
So here we go. I've got the sauce that is still closed. I'll bring it closer so you can hear the crack. Can you hear that?
3-minute timer coming up, right?
3 minutes, yeah. And it's got a marker on here as well that shows you where the halfway mark is, but it should be more or less one of these.
Right, you've got this.
There we go. Halfway, yeah?
Looks legit.
So, right, guys, on behalf of the Sons of Fire South African chapter, our first podcast or our first live show, here's to all you brothers and sisters of wild women of fire.
Bottoms up, mate.
Okay, I'm starting. 3 minutes. Well done, and I would like to say welcome to all the international viewers here, our brothers and sisters from Sons of Fire and everybody else. It's a pleasure having you here from South Africa, and we're coming on. Okay, you're on 2 minutes 42, 2 minutes and 40.
There we
How's
go.
the flavor and taste, Gary?
Quite tomatoey. Not a very thick sauce, which makes it easy to swallow, which is half the idea, I suppose. The burn, yeah, there's a little bit of burn there. Mostly at the back of the throat, nothing in the mouth.
Yeah.
But not a bad sauce for overall, I would say. Yeah,
Well, I'm
as
going
I
to
say,
have a bit of a
quite
spoon with
tomatoey.
you.
Have you got one there?
No, I'm going to have some of,
Oh, Hexbergs.
yeah, I'll just do a spoon. Just with you to
Okay.
burn, man. It's just for the idea of it.
Yes. We need to get some gunslinger. Right, there's the second top poured ready for the.
I got some
Second
P3
few
here
minutes.
behind me.
Oh, yeah, add some of that to it. Oh, good.
Lovely sauce, by the way.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
Well done, dude.
What's the time on now?
1:38, 37, 36, 35.
Let's check
Halfway
here.
there.
Yeah,
Okay.
1 minute 30, yeah.
Is it still building? Like, Gary, is it still building?
No. I feel it's just hit the stomach now.
Okay.
No, it's not building.
So
It's
just
you
get
lined
to
it
a
up
point
well.
and catch.
it's still at the back of the throat and,
Okay.
well, fading away. But in the stomach, yeah. It kind of sits, the sauce kind of feels like it sits in the back of the throat there, rather than just a burn. Saliva is very tacky, which makes it difficult to swallow.
Is the sauce sweet?
It is sweetish, yeah. Tomato sweet, tomatoey sweet. But no, not as repulsive as some people initially said. No, was that was probably the Paki one chip. I don't know anybody saying anything about the sauce being bad.
And that one was sent by Dave to you, right?
Right. He always sent it
Right.
to Derek, and Derek dished them out accordingly. So yeah,
Nice.
it is. It's not nothing bad about it at all. It could be a regular day sauce. I would just, if it was going to be a sauce, I'd make it a bit thicker. But it's got nice
Timer
burns.
says 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here we go. Second chug. And we can start the next 3 minutes.
Nice.
Come on.
Starting. We can take about
Yeah, go
10
for it.
seconds off of that.
Yeah, I'm just doing
Look, that no is lekker. Yeah.
recording on the cell phone on the side here as well. So tell me, Minus, we're not quite the iTech gurus here. Is this thing being recorded as well as being streamed live?
I don't know how the software setup is yet. I didn't tell it to record, but
Okay.
I'm sure we can download this.
Yeah.
Cheers on some coffee from Cal's.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
chilly.
nice. That's nice.
Yeah,
We got to support the local community, you know.
absolutely.
Yeah. Totally.
How's your tummy feeling now, Gary? Any
It hasn't picked up worse. The burn has picked up again in the back of the throat. Still nothing in the mouth. Just the back of the throat and the stomach. It hasn't changed much. In the sense of it hasn't increased anymore. Stable. So I think this is quite easily done.
Mm-hmm.
you're a machine, man?
It seems to flatline actually quite quickly, yeah? I
It
would
does,
have
in the
assumed
mouth.
it would have keep on building, especially with the second chug.
Yeah, I think it's a gut thing at the end of the day. That's where it's going to be the
Yeah, but
problem.
then again, let's face it, Gary. I mean, your gut's made of metal, eh? You've had stuff that's 100 times hotter.
Yeah.
I agree.
That's exactly why you're born to burn, right?
There we got it. Yeah, but I'm considering now. Should I do another one?
You said you got another bottle there. Oh man, the G-man's coming at it.
Should we do
Are
this
we gonna
properly,
get it?
Mr. President?
I would say go for it, mate, because you know what? You've actually mastered hot sauce and hot challenges so well. I don't think there's any actual rivals in South Africa who can touch you, and that's my honest opinion. There isn't.
Well, we've got a second one here.
Just do it, brother.
We'll do it.
Like I said,
Yeah.
they go big or they go home. So do it.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Nicely
Cool.
done, Gary.
Sorry, people who are watching this. It's going to take a bit longer than expected initially.
At least the missus,
Well
she
done.
can't blame me this time, eh?
The missus is busy lying down. And they're a fan because it's so hot.
It's from the wife.
Oh,
Awesome.
Mrs.
Well done,
expert.
brother. You get double
Yeah.
points for that one.
I don't know how many points or extra
Okay,
points you
the
get.
3 minutes are done.
Okay, so let's.
Good.
Sorry,
Nice.
you can still see it's at the back. Attached. Right, another
You know
halfway.
when you go, and I'll start the timer.
Yeah.
Don't ever break that shot glass after this.
No. There we go, halfway.
The second bottle chug. Instead of
Right.
one, we changed it. Second one.
Let's go.
And G-Man is
Second,
doing his
third
double
one.
chug.
Brilliant, Gary. Kick it, man.
Timer started.
Go.
Gary's a man that can do it properly.
Yeah, that's exactly why they call him Gman, eh?
Exactly.
He's
Yeah.
up to it, baby.
And the temperatures in Cape Town aren't helping with this jacket on either, I'll tell you that much.
No, I'm sure.
Unzip it at least.
It's pretty warm.
Yeah. Anyway, it is what it
Is
is.
Dad going to join us?
Who?
Arenas?
Yo.
Is Dave actually going to join us?
He actually said his wife invited some people over, and that's going to make him cook all the food, and she's going to drink wine. So he's not going to make it.
Okay, that's cool. All right.
Let me quickly move.
How you feeling, Gary?
Okay.
Very good, actually. Surprisingly.
I would have thought as much, especially knowing you all too well. It's like a
Yeah.
starter, right?
Well, yeah, lots of practice. Doing stupid stuff. Just waiting for later, you know. So, yeah. That's when we'll know the truth, eh? Depends how I sleep tonight.
Well, Sean's challenge is pretty awesome, eh? Especially about the shot and the powder as well. I think
Yeah, I've got one of
that
those.
challenge is awesome.
Yeah, the throat's hurting a bit more now. Just at the top, and then down to the gut a little bit. But generally, overall, not too bad.
I'm sure the gut actually by now is turning, eh?
Another minute
yeah,
to go.
it's sitting there. It's sitting there. You can feel it's there.
Yeah.
So yeah, but
And the
it's
flavor
actually more-
profile is exactly the same, eh?
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
throat. That's actually top of the throat. It's worse than the gut for me.
Yeah.
Sweating like a pig.
Yeah, well, hot sauce like this, and considering it's Cape Town, our temperatures are rocking up to 31 and 34 degrees over here. I mean, yes, yes.
Yeah, no wind.
No, you're doing well, man. You're doing well.
Yeah, very well, man. Very, very well.
Yeah. Oh, there comes a cool breeze. That feels good.
I reckon once Arenas and you guys try out that new teddy bear that you just brought out, that's going to be a rock.
Okay.
Eh?
That was a timer. It's 3 minutes.
Nice,
Okay, I'll
Gary.
wait for this one to count down. Right. And then here we go for the last chug.
Ole.
I'm starting the timer now. Another 3 minutes to go.
Let's go. Wow.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah. It's a good start to our chapter, I think.
Well done, you're a machine.
Cheers, guys. But yeah, suppose when you're just eating the hot stuff all the time, then it just doesn't.
Yeah, no, especially you, Gary. I
you.
mean, to me, it's much respect. It's something I can't personally do. I mean, your stomach is, and your threshold on tolerance is about 1,000 times more than mine. But I mean, still, you know, it's
Yeah, but
kudos
you
to you,
gotta-
brother. It's kudos to you.
He's
Tasting
a
your
trained
sauces.
professionalist.
And then he started really about 2018. Yeah, when you had that Hexberg hot sauce wing sauce challenge.
Yeah.
Jesus, that was something else. Yes, then we started burning together.
I remember.
August 20th.
That time's gone quickly. Yeah.
It has. It's gone so fast, especially with that lockdown, 3 months in lockdown and shit. Sorry, chaps.
No.
But yeah, easy done.
Let's see what the timer says. Another 1 minute and
1:35.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
No.
It's tempting,
Awesome,
chaps.
Gary.
It's tempting.
It's a great way to
Sweet
start the
shit.
chapter.
Oh, number 3.
No, I think the best part about the chapter is that we finally.
Oh boy.
Yes.
How many does he have there?
It's my last one. Should I do it?
Gary, I'd say save
What?
it for another day, mate. Save it for another day.
Do it.
If you want to push the points, you know, you can use Sean Overthrow's one as well on top of
Do
it.
it, bro. Do
Yeah,
it.
yeah, we'll draw the line there. I got work tomorrow.
Do it. It's no use doing one if you already did two and you do one on a different day. Just go for it.
It's the missus, you know, Mosa, which is like,
Yeah.
Yeah, but she hates me.
I love you.
she loves you
Yo,
too much, man.
That's why you give me that stuff to come and try.
Oh, well, you're the Gman. You're the best Tish Crash dummy there is out there, man.
You're right. I'm not sure.
How's the gut
Okay.
going now?
Harder.
Number
Yeah, you're
3. The timer says 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And he's done. Well done, dude. Number 3 is coming.
Halfway. See it. Oh, shut up. Right.
Stop.
Let's go. 2 for number 5.
The timer is
Brilliant.
running.
No.
Well done.
Like, respect,
Yeah.
my man. Respect.
Yeah.
That's just insane.
This is a good start.
Yeah. Let's see how I sleep tonight. The worst thing about tomorrow, I've got stage 1 courses, which is a day of lecturing. So,
No, you won't. At least you will be very healthy.
yeah, COVID free completely, eh?
The second vaccine, third vaccine just done.
Yeah, I've had 5 shots at me.
No, well done, dude.
Right, we'll just get that ready for the last one.
Oh. Another 2 minutes on the timer.
Yeah, I think you could actually probably do another couple of these if I had more. And if it was a Saturday, definitely not a problem.
Yeah.
Well
Sorry,
done, man.
chaps.
Seriously.
No, the runny nose thing in the heat, that's a normal thing. I understand.
White cable there.
Yeah.
I've learned about it. I don't even know where my port is.
Well, you pulled it out there.
So I think the guts are
How's the
right.
gut feeling now, Gary?
It's
I
fine.
was going to ask
The
that.
throat. I need something cool for the throat, like a beer.
Is the throat burning the worst now?
Yeah, the gut's normal. It has. Let's see when it starts its route down.
I was going to say for now it is.
For now, yeah, we'll see what happens in an hour or two's time when the digestion process starts. That's
Yeah.
when it's going to kick in. But yeah, otherwise these aren't as bad as I thought they were going to be.
Is that the
Obviously,
V2 or V3 one you got?
I don't know. It's just the League of Fire chug challenge. There's no version on it.
I think it's their first edition.
Yeah, but it's still
Yeah.
got the 0220. So it's the 22nd of February 22 is when it expires.
Yeah.
20th of Feb. So
We're just in time.
yeah, well, no, I think they make the same one every year, and then just instead of version 1, version 2, this is the standard one.
Your
that
time
they send
expired.
All right, I've got 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Stop. Right, and here we go for shot number 6, guys. Last 3 minutes, I promise.
Cheers, mate. Yes.
Starting the timer now.
And off we go. Yeah,
Now
same
it should feel different.
tomato.
Hopefully you don't expire tomorrow morning at 2:30, eh?
Jeez, hopefully. Yeah, no, it's going to be exciting. See what happens. But yeah, there we go. A great start to our chapter. 3 bottles of chug down.
Yes,
Happy
what a
days.
good one. Well done.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Hey,
Yeah,
Dave, you're missing
and,
out, eh?
Yeah.
No, he's going to get his chance. He's going to get his chance.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The throat's actually fading away a bit now, or it's just level stepped up there, so it's feels like it's fading. Gut, still nothing in the gut. You can feel it's there, but after the first one, I thought, what would 2 more feel like? And so far, it feels okay.
Okay, on a scale to 1 to 10, what is that source for you?
Burn or
Yeah. So flavor and burn.
yeah, I'd put about maybe a 6. Yeah. I mean, it's not normal to chug sauces, first of all.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, in the overall things of what I've had before and what I've possibly got to come, I put it at a 6 at the moment. But I think a lot of it comes down to nerves. You know, for us now, it's been a first time for us all.
Absolutely.
And
Totally, man.
the other challenges have just been one-off things. This is the first time it's a multiple. So, yeah, we'll see. But a minute to go.
Nice.
That'll be awesome.
Yeah. No, you're doing well,
Well, look,
really.
it's going to be the first of many anyways. I mean, we're going to definitely make sure that we can try and get as many international products actually in from League of Fire, so we can actually just be boost you up. Awesome.
So I've just realized that my camera here, the glasses are all sitting here and not over here. So they've been off screen. So I don't
No,
think
we've
that-
been seeing them. Don't worry.
No,
Yeah,
but
but the difference is
we need to be able to record this.
Yeah, but the difference
Okay.
is the bottle was actually opened in front of the camera, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Well, that camera, not that one.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I've got any League of Fire points.
And there goes the timer.
Congratulations, brother. That was
Shit.
absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, that was absolute awesome, man. And let us know what you feel like tomorrow or in a week's time.
In one.
My first
Yeah.
my first problem is going to be the next 2 hours, I think. We'll see what happens
Yeah.
from there. Yeah.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Well, everybody,
Okay,
thanks
guys.
for tuning in. I'm going to
Thank you
play
very
the
much.
outro video.
And
And,
it's a
we'll-
big thanks to you, Harold. You've done a phenomenal job of doing all the technical sides and linking us all up.
Yeah.
Congrats to you. And to Gary, you definitely VP. You hold your title as being Gman and definitely VP for a reason, born to burn. Well done.
Thanks, guys.
Yes.
And
Thanks to you, Johnny Exberg, our president.
Mr.
Always, brother.
President. Take care,
Cheers,
guys.
guys.
See you
Cheers,
guys
Keep
soon.
following.
Ciao.
Ciao.